Dear students, very good morning to all of you. This is Durgesh Kumar Pandey, your history teacher. Students, in my previous class, I had discussed about the second chapter of the history of class 11th, that was about the writing and city life. Writing and city life. In that chapter, we had discussed about the how the writing cultures and city established in Mesopotamia. We had talked there about the Mesopotamian culture. The peoples of Mesopotamia, how they started the writing cultures, how do they develop the writing cultures, how do they establish their cities, what kinds of trade systems emerge in Mesopotamia, what kinds of trade system emerged in Mesopotamia, how many types of cities were developed there, and in last what we obtained from the Mesopotamian civilization. What is the contribution of Mesopotamian civilization to the world? These all those things we had discussed in the second chapters. But now students, we are going to start the next chapter, the third chapter of the book history, that is an empire in the three continents. Which empires, students, we are going to talk about? The empire is the ancient Roman Empire. The ancient Roman Empire. It was the ancient Roman Empire which was spread. Here is three continents. The Roman Empire, the ancient Roman Empire spreads into three continents. The continent was this Asia, Europe and Africa. Asia, Europe and Africa. Roman Empire is spread in all these three continents. Okay students, so now we are going to study about the Roman Empire which spreads in three continents, Europe, Asia and Africa. It was ancient Roman Empire who spread in three continents of the world. The continents were Europe, Africa and Asia. So students, now today we are going to start to read all about the Roman Empire. During the 6th century AD, before the emergence of Islam, in Europe there is an empire emerged very rapidly, that was Roman Empire. There are two types of empires who ruled over in Asia as well as Africa after Europe. That was Roman Empire and second was that Iranian Empire. So in between both Roman and Iranian Empire, we will talk about only Roman Empire here, because Roman Empire is one and only empire who emerged in three continents, Asia, Africa and Europe. So students, what are the sources? What were the sources through which we get information about the Roman Empire? We get information about the Roman Empire. So students, first we will discuss about the sources through which we get information about Roman Empire. So students, the sources are there are three kinds of sources. There are three kinds of sources through which we get information about the Roman Empire. First one is text. First one is text. Second is documents. And third one is monuments. These were the three sources through which we get information about the Roman Empire. What were text? So first we will discuss about the text. Students, first we will discuss about the text. Text. What kinds of texts we obtain through which we get information about the Roman Empire? History was written by its contemporaries. जो हिस्ट्री थी, जो इनके कंटेम्पररीज यानी रोमन एम्पायर्स के कंटेम्पररी जो राइटर्स थे, जो हिस्टोरियंस थे, उन्होंने जो कुछ भी देखा और जो कुछ भी लिखा वो टेक्स्ट के अंतर्गत आया. किसके अंतर्गत आया? टेक्स्ट के अंतर्गत. Historians wrote the history who were the contemporary of Roman Empire. History were written by its contemporary. जो कंटेम्पररियों के द्वारा, इनके समकालीन, कंटेम्पररी मीन्स समकालीन, जो समकालीन रोमन एम्पायर के समकालीन जितने भी इतिहासकार थे, जितने भी हिस्टोरियंस थे, जो कुछ भी हिस्ट्री रोमन एम्पायर्स के बारे में बताई उसको हम टेक्स्ट के अंतर्गत रखते हैं. लाइक एग्जांपल्स, एनल्स ऑफ द वर्ल्ड. एनल्स ऑफ द वर्ल्ड. Annals of the world, जिसको एनल्स ऑफ द वर्ल्ड, जिसको हम वार्षिक वृत्तांत कहते हैं. क्या कहते हैं? वार्षिक वृत्तांत. यानी पूरे साल में रोमन एम्पायर्स ने जो कुछ भी काम किया, जहां पर भी उन्होंने अपने एम्पायर का एक्सपेंशन किया, उसके बारे में जो हिस्टोरियंस हमको जानकारी अवेलेबल करवाते हैं, जो नॉलेज अवेलेबल करवाते हैं, उसके बारे में एनल्स ऑफ द वर्ल्ड, उसी को वार्षिक वृत्तांत कहा गया. क्या कहा गया? वार्षिक वृत्तांत. वार्षिक वृत्तांत, जिसको एनल्स ऑफ द वर्ल्ड कहा गया. एनल्स ऑफ द वर्ल्ड. सेकेंड थिंग इज डॉक्यूमेंट्स. थ्रू द डॉक्यूमेंट्स, व्हाट काइंड्स ऑफ डॉक्यूमेंट्स वी गेट through which we get information about the Roman Empire. So students, if we will talk about the documents like inscriptions, documents through which we get information about the Roman empires, that was inscriptions, manuscripts, manuscripts, documents on papyrus scrolls, like inscriptions, inscriptions, manuscripts, documents on papyrus scroll, documents on papyrus scroll, papyrus scroll, papyrus scroll, papyrus scroll. Through the papyrus scrolls, papyrus is a kind of tree, papyrus is a kind of tree. उसके छाले जो होते थे, जो papyrus पेड़ के छाले होते थे, उसका यूज जिनको स्क्रॉल करा जा सकता था, जिनको आसानी से स्क्रॉल को मोड़ दिया जा सकता था, उसके थ्रू जो भी इंफॉर्मेशन भेजी जाती थी, उसके हमने ये डॉक्यूमेंट्स थे जिनके थ्रू हमको रोमन एम्पायर्स के बारे में जानकारी मिली। Inscriptions are the things where we get information through the engraving. The peoples of that times used to engrave over the walls, over the stones, over the hard surfaces. That kinds of process known as inscriptions. Manuscripts, the handwritten notes is known as manuscripts. जो हाथ से लिखे गए जितने भी नोट्स होते थे उसको मैन्युस्क्रिप्ट्स के अंतर्गत रखा जाता था, उनको पांडुलिपि कहा जाता था। क्या कहा जाता था? पांडुलिपि कहा जाता था। स्टूडेंट्स, द थर्ड थिंग्स through which we get information about the Roman empires, that were monuments or material remains. Monuments or material remains. Monuments or material remains. Material remains. Through the monuments or material remains, we get information, like the monuments were like buildings, or material remains like buildings. After that, buildings, after that pottery, monuments, coins, etc. These are the things. Monuments, material remains. Through the material remains, we get information about the monuments, buildings, pottery, coins, through which we get information about the Roman Empire. So students, these are the sources through which we get information about the Roman Empire. Students, the two most powerful empires emerged during the 7th century BC, from the birth of Jesus Christ till the 7th century. जब तक इस्लाम धर्म का प्रचार प्रसार नहीं हुआ था, जब तक इस्लाम धर्म अपने इमरजेंस पर नहीं आया था, उस समय पूरे वर्ल्ड में दो ही मोस्ट पावरफुल एम्पायर थे जो रूल ओवर कर रहे थे। फर्स्ट रोमन एम्पायर एंड सेकेंड इरानियन एम्पायर। The Roman and Iranians were neighbors separated by the narrow strip of the land. Romans and Iranians were the neighbors. They were separated a narrow strip of land. That ran along the rivers Euphrates. That ran along the rivers Euphrates. Students, we will talk about these two empires. Students, the Romans and Iranian empires were the neighbors. They were separated through a narrow strip of land, through a narrow strip of land which separated by the Euphrates River. You all are aware about the Euphrates and Tigris. These two rivers were flows in Iraq during the Mesopotamian civilization. Now at that time they are also there. Tigris and Euphrates. You all were aware about the Tigris and Euphrates. So if we will talk about the two most powerful empire during the before the birth of Jesus Christ. Before the birth of Jesus Christ, till the 7th century, two most powerful empires emerged. First, Roman, and second, Iranian. These two empires are the neighbor empire. They are separated. They were separated through a narrow strip of land near the Euphrates River, or along with Euphrates River. They were rivals and fought against each other for much of their history. They were, if we will talk about the Roman and Iranian Empire, so they were rivals and fought against. They were rivals and fought against much of the time. Much of the time in the history. So students, जैसा कि हम देखते हैं कि आजकल अगर if we will comprise those empires in today's terms, then we can easily see each and everywhere there were some quarrels with their neighbors. Each and everywhere we can easily see. पड़ोसियों में जो झगड़े होते हैं हम आज के टर्म में देखें तो अक्सर देखने को मिल जाता, छोटी छोटी जमीनों के नाते हमेशा कहीं न कहीं कुछ न कुछ पड़ोसियों से लड़ाई हुआ ही करती है। दे आर ऑल्सो द नेबर्स, दे फॉट अगेंस्ट ईच अदर एट द राइवल्स ऑफ द हिस्ट्री। इतिहास में इनके लड़ने के बहुत ज़्यादा प्रमाण मिले हैं, ये आपस में लड़ते झगड़ते थे। बट एमंग बिटवीन दीज टू एम्पायर्स रोमन वर वेरी पावरफुल, रोमन एम्पायर वर very powerful. The present day location of Roman, if we will talk about the Roman in earlier or present time, the capital city of Italy known as Rome, जो कैपिटल सिटी है इटली की उसको रोम के नाम से जाना जाता था। वहां पर जो एम्पायर्स रूल ओवर किया उसको रोमन एम्पायर के तौर पर जाना जाने लगा। तो ये इतने महत्वाकांक्षी थे, इन्होंने अपनी सुविधाओं को बढ़ाते हुए पूरे वर्ल्ड पर लगभग 3 कॉन्टिनेंट्स की अगर हम बात करें तो 3 कॉन्टिनेंट्स पे इन्होंने रूल ओवर किया। सो नाउ स्टूडेंट्स वी विल टॉक अबाउट द रोमन एम्पायर। Students, Roman Empire. Now we are going to talk about the Roman Empire. Roman Empire. Students, Roman Empire. The Roman Empire is stretched from Spain. The location of Roman Empire, it is stretched from Spain in Europe to Syria in the east, along with the Mediterranean Sea into the African desert. The Roman Empire stretched from Spain in the Europe the Roman Empire stretched from Spain in Europe to Syria in the east, to Syria in the east along the Mediterranean Sea, Mediterranean Sea into African desert, Roman Empire ruled over in 3 continents. Here we can easily see Spain in Europe, Syria, Asia, African desert in Africa. These 3 continents, the Roman Empire spreads. Their expansion is related. In the north, its boundary were marked by the river Rhine and Danube. In the north, its boundary were marked by the Rhine and Danube. Rhine and Danube river. Students, in East Syria along with the Mediterranean Sea and to African deserts. From Spain, the capital city of Spain is Madrid. Now students, this is the present location of Roman Empire. If we marked its geographical status, then we can easily find out the present time location of Roman Empire. So students, this is the introduction of this chapter. After that, we will talk about the Iranian Empire. After that, we will talk the phase of Roman empires. Now, the Iranian empire. The Iranian empires ruled over Iran, controlled the entire area of south of Caspian Sea. Iran controlled the entire area of Caspian Sea. Entire area of south of Caspian Sea. South of Caspian Sea. To eastern Arabia and large parts of Afghanistan. Sea to eastern Arabia and large part of Afghanistan. So students, these were the two empires who ruled over in earlier time before from the birth of Jesus Christ to 7th century, before the Islam emerged. So students, rest of the topics of this chapter we will discuss in next video. Thank you.